Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I put mini braids into my awkward to medium length hair. This is my favorite protective hairstyle. I've actually had these in for over 2 weeks. As you can see, some of the new growth coming in. If you want to know how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. First, I want to show you the length that I'm working with so you can compare it to the length of your own hair and know what results to expect. But keep in mind, this style is for short to medium length hair in this video. So I went ahead and sectioned off my hair. Obviously my parts are not perfect, but that is okay. This is just for right now, so they don't have to be super neat. I usually take this time to apply my favorite leave-in conditioner. It's totally optional, but I generally work in 6 small sections or 3 very big sections, whatever is your preference. I braided up as much of my hair as I could off camera, but I do want to pause and show you the finished look or what to expect when you're just about done on similar length and textured hair. And you don't have to worry about these forward-facing braids. If you don't like them, you can pin them back overnight or make sure you braid backwards, and I'll show you how to do that later on. But you also want to pay close attention to the ends of your hair. You want to get that little swirl at the end, and if it's a little scraggly, that's just a sign that it's about time for a trim. I'm going to grab a comb for parting and a brush for detangling. I'm also going to use my favorite essential oil mix, and I'm going to be using a DIY twist / braid out cream. It's my absolute favorite, and I do have a video for that. You can find the link in the description box. I like to moisturize my scalp first and then add the essential oil to the shaft of my hair as well as the ends to lock in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner. And then I detangle the entire section with my detangling brush before I begin parting. You're just going to part that into a smaller section, pen the rest off for later, and then you're going to add your DIY twist out cream. And you're going to part that into 3 small sections for braiding. You just want to make sure you braid from the root all the way down to the ends. And once you get to the ends, you're just going to use a little extra twist out cream to seal them off and make sure you get that little swirl that we were talking about earlier. And you're just going to repeat the same process throughout the rest of your hair. Add your DIY twist out cream, and then you're going to part it into 3 sections and then braid that down from the roots to the ends. I don't like to braid my hair very tight because I don't want too much tension on my hair, but that's totally up to you. Just remember once you reach the ends to seal them off using a little extra twist out cream. And then I'm going to show you one more time on the last section of my hair. Just add your twist out cream, detangle if necessary, part the hair into 3 sections, and then you're going to braid it to the end. But with this one, I want to show you how to braid backwards, because if you don't want your hair facing a certain direction, your hair is going to fall whatever direction that you braid it in. So if you don't want those awkward bangs you see that I have, make sure you braid your hair backwards the way I'm doing it now, which is braiding it under instead of over. Or you can just pin your hair back overnight when you tie it up, and when you wake up in the morning, it'll be laid down in the direction that you want. But the same thing, once you get to the end, seal it off using a little extra twist out cream. So now you are all done. This is the complete look. From start to finish, it took me about 3 to 4 hours, but considering I do leave my mini braids in for 2 to 3 weeks, I'd say it's well worth the time and the effort. And don't worry about the white residue on the hair, it will go away over time once your hair starts to take in all the moisture from whatever product that you used. And you can pin your hair back if you didn't braid it backwards. Overnight it will set in place, so you don't have to worry about those awkward bangs that I have. I really wanted to show you guys how my hair turned out the very next day, especially because the awkward bangs are gone and it's still very well moisturized. It's not frizzy at all. I don't actually tie my hair up at night. Instead, I sleep on satin sheets and pillowcases, and I can leave the link to those in the description box. I really enjoy this protective hairstyle because I don't have a problem retaining moisture for the next 2 to 3 weeks that I keep my mini braids in. I love showing off the length that I've gotten in the last year. I love being able to shake my braids around. So this is definitely my go-to style for the fall and winter season. I actually don't have a particular way that I style my mini braids. I can brush them behind my ears, or I can pull out a head wrap and tie my hair up for the day. Usually I just wear them in their natural state. I don't add any beads or any hair jewelry at all. I like them this way and it's good enough for me. But I did want to show you the shrinkage in my hair. My hair shrinks up so much, as you can see, even in braids that are supposed to stretch out my hair, but I'm okay with that. Shrinkage is a sign of nice, healthy hair. I just want you to know that you're not going to get as much length as you may expect from this hairstyle. Even so, it's my favorite protective style so far, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, God bless.